So one thing you need to understand is the difference between absolute and relative references. So for example, here we have lots of sterling amounts and we want to convert them into dollars, so we put the exchange rate up there, and here we divide the sterling amount B4 by the exchange rate, which is on B1. All well and good, but the problem is when we copy this down, this increments both numbers, so that's B5 divided by B2, which we don't want. We want on B1 all the time. So the way we do that is to fix that one there by clicking there in front of the one and putting a $sign there, and then when we copy that down, doing Control C and Control V, as you can see, the one is fixed, which is exactly what we want. And you can do exactly the same thing fixing any of these rows or columns. Just put $1 in front of what you want to fix. That's all for now. Follow me for more tips.